Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Aave interest rate changes on Lens. Detailed guide step by. Open your browser and navigate to the Lens platform. Once on the Lens homepage, log in using your cryptocurrency wallet. After logging in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Aave into the search bar and press enter. You will see a list of Aave-related profiles and content. Click on the official Aave profile to access detailed information. Look for the option that allows you to explore interest rate. Select the interest rate changes section to view the latest updates. Review the current interest rates displayed on the page. Check for any recent announcements regarding interest rate adjustments. In the interest rate section, you may find historical data. This will help you compare past and present rates. To ensure accuracy, cross-reference the data with Aave's official website. You can also check community discussions or forums for insights. If you notice discrepancies, note them down for further analysis. For a deeper dive, use the filters to narrow down specific time frames. Take screenshots of the interest rates for your records if needed. Finally, keep an eye on any future updates directly on the Lens platform. This will ensure you stay informed about ongoing changes in interest rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.